students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes, and today we are going to solve the ISI MSQE PE paper. So here we have picked up 2025 solutions, and this is the question number 2 which I am going to solve, and I hope that you all have done it correctly. So let's see also and solve it out together. So here the question is being given that the steady state, the depreciation rate from the solo model. So now we focus the depreciation rate being given, that is 0.1, and the production function in per worker terms is y equal to root over k. Okay, and consumption per worker will be c equals to y minus. So production function will be y equal to root over k. Okay, and the consumption per worker will be C is equal to y minus depreciation k. So now we will do like we know that y is equals to output per worker is y equal to root k. We assume at a steady state consumption per worker and that maximize consumption. And the steady state k is equal to S by depreciation square. So consumption per worker is how much? This one. So we will substitute the values. This two. So what we get? K is equals to S by, so that's root over K is S by depreciation, or Y is equal to S by depreciation, or depreciation K is multiplied by S by depreciation square. Okay. So here that is equals to S square by depreciation. So then what is my C coming here? So C is S by